Ashley MJ. Magandang gabi, happy minute ko.
Shoutout na po, Artist Adventure.
Shoutout po.
Subscribe daw po.
Naman. Subscribe po.
Basketball game on 3 hour free quarter for this match. Roca versus Atlanta. 49-71. 51 lamang ang Roca. Finally, 2 minutes and 30 seconds to play. Roca ball jersey number 28, Chuapuco. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass jersey number 34. 8 seconds shot. No good. That jersey number 7. Barredo. Pass to jersey number 8. Aguinaldo. Jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 28. Jersey number 8. Santiago to bring the ball. Jersey number 7. Barredo. Jersey number 7. Barredo to Mira. No good. Out of bounds. Sabet. Ayan, ganyan. Very good. Jersey number 7, 14 seconds shot up. Jersey number 8, pass to jersey number 8. Aguinaldo tumira ng 3 na good. Nakabila ng jersey number 3.
Artist Adventure.
10 seconds to shoot. Steal by jersey number 7. Out of bounds. Save ball. Bagong side. Jersey number 11, pass jersey number 28. Jersey number 28, Chuapuco to the ball. Jersey number 28. Last time sarado, 15 seconds shot up. Pass jersey number 8. Jersey number 12, keep 13. Jersey number 8, ilang kabla na wala pass jersey number 7. Barredo sulubok ng 3 na good jersey number 2. Jersey number 5, jersey number 28. Jersey number 28, dribbling the ball. Sulaksak na tuha. Nakakabig jersey number 7, Barredo pass jersey number 2. Ligado libre. Good for 2. Jersey number 12, pass jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, dribbling the ball, pass jersey number 12. Pass jersey number 28. Chuapuco naghahanap ng papasahan. 15 seconds shot up. Jersey number 28. Nakakunapal. Foul in the jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. Second personal foul. Kasama daw po. Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo dribbling the ball. Jersey number 8, pass jersey number 7, Barredo to the up. No good. Jersey number 8, long pass to jersey number 12. Jersey number 12 to Mira Piten. Out of bounds. Put up out of ball. Jersey number 28, Shervy. Pass to jersey number 8, wala na po lang shot up. Jersey number 28, dribbling the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Santiago dribbling the ball. Jersey number 8. Nakita na ball out of bounds.
Same ball.
Same ball. 10.6 seconds to shoot. 10.6 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 8. Aguinaldo dribbling the ball. 8 seconds shot up. There's a foul. Who's foul left? Foul jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, first personal foul and 13 foul. 6.2 seconds to shoot. 6.2 seconds again. Jersey number 8, Shervy dribbling the ball. 2 seconds. No good. Jersey number